Starting a new business? Forming an LLC? Before you spend a dime on infrastructure or software, there's something you should know. Most business owners rush into buying software and setting up accounts before they even know what they need. The result? Wasted money, mismatched tools, and technical headaches. That's where Zarpra LaunchPad comes in. We help you start smarter. No tech guesswork, no wasted spend. Before you invest in email, storage, or team tools, book a free call with Zarpra. We'll talk through your business goals and recommend the best setup for your unique needs. Every business is different. We tailor our advice to your industry, team size, and growth plan. From choosing the right Google Workspace plan to setting up file sharing, access control, and security, you'll get a scalable setup without the startup stress. Avoid expensive mistakes and make informed decisions from day one with a partner who understands technology and business. Don't launch your business alone. Schedule your free consultation with Zarpra LaunchPad today and start smarter.